Good morning. This is day 19 since my surgery, or not surgery, since my accident. It's day 10 since my surgery. And starting to feel better. I'm not taking the pain pills anymore. But we got this awesome gift box from our friends Tom and Shan in Minnesota. And it's from Betsy's Pies, right there. World famous Twin Harbors, Minnesota. And we actually got it on Halloween. So this is a second opening of the box to show you how they packed it. So it has nice styrofoam. I can get it out with one hand. I have to stop this. And that, so it also came with 6 or 7 ice packs. And it was still cold when it got here. It was frozen. So this is one of the pies. It's a 5-layer chocolate cream. We have not opened it yet. There's the ingredients. Sugar, egg, cinnamon, chocolate chips, heavy whipped cream, salt, sugar, wheat, vinegar, crust. Nothing special in the crust. But and then we had this one, which we already ate. Well, I'm in the process of finishing it. This was the French blueberry cream, and then you can see the box here had ice in it. But no, I was really impressed with how well they packed this. And thanks again, Tom and Shan. We love this one. I can't wait to try this one. They're very good. This is like, yeah, super good. But that's from Betsy's Pies. If you ever get to Minnesota, north of Duluth, 2 harbors, there's a lot of cool towns up there along the Lake Superior. But that's it for now. Try and get some more video of Zoe later. Here's some video of this awesome pie our friends sent us. Tom and Shan in Minnesota. This is from 2 Harbors, Minnesota. Betsy's Pies. I mean, look at that. It's so good. This is a cream cheese. Oh, wait, hold on. It's a French blueberry cream pie. So it has cream cheese, blueberry filling, and all kinds of good stuff. But it is awesome. And we have another one. We have a chocolate mousse pie thing. So we're gonna do a second unboxing of these pies and pretend they just came later, so everyone could see how well they packaged them. We were really impressed. It was still frozen when it got here, but it's really awesome. Check it out. Betsy's Pies in Minnesota. So me and Zoe are watching my 8-hour Highway 101 Washington video. So she's laying over here, and I cover her up to keep her warm. Zoe, look at the camera. She's watching the TV. She actually likes watching these driving videos, I think. Oh, she's getting tired. Yeah, that was a fun drive. I'm glad I did it before I got injured. Never got my 12-hour video in yet, but I'll do something. Probably gonna get my old footage and splice a bunch of them together. That'll be fun.